In this video lecture, we are going to study next growth hormone, gibberellin. Gibberellin is important growth promoting hormone in plants. Gibberellin isolated from the fungus Gibberella fusariae. The fungus Gibberella fusariae causes the Beckley disease in rice, and from that the crystalline form of gibberellin can be isolated from this fungus, hence the name gibberellin. Mostly it is synthesized in the young leaves, roots, stems, stem tips, isolated or the synthesized from the mavulonic acid. Out of the 150 chemical types of gibberellin, the most common and active form of the gibberellin is GA3, which can responsible for the stem elongation. The importance or the practical applications of the gibberellin or the physiological effects of the gibberellin. First physiological effect of gibberellin is break the dormancy. The treatment of gibberellin breaks the dormancy in certain plants. It also promotes the seed germination in barley and wheat. The next important practical application or the physiological effect of gibberellin is the stem elongation, which is an concern with the gibberellin. Stem elongation is an important application of gibberellin. It also responsible for the conversion of rosette habit plant into the normal plant by the application of the gibberellin. For example, in beet, cabbage, the rosette plants are converted into the heighted plants. Again, the next important physiological application or the practical application of gibberellin is parthenocarpy. Parthenocarpy means the fruits can be formed without fertilization. In certain plants like tomato, apple, pear, by the application of gibberellin, parthenocarpy can happen, and it also show the flowering in the long day plant. That means the treatment of gibberellin causes the flowering in the long day plant. It also responsible for or used for to increase the fruit size and bunch length of the grapes. Grapes bunch length can be increased by the application of gibberellin. Again, the next important practical application or the physiological effect is mostly the genetically dwarf plant can be converted into the normal height plant by the application of the gibberellin. Again, gibberellin also applied to overcome the requirement of vernalization. Means if the application of gibberellin or the gibberellin is applied, at that time there is no requirement of vernalization in some of the plant. Vernalization means the cold treatment, which is responsible or which is required for the inducing the flowering. It also important for the growth of root, delay senescence and prevent the abscission layer. Senescence breaking, abscission layer, abscission breaking and hastens the. It also important for the to break the dormancy and induce the germination. The last important application of gibberellin is in the female plant, the number of or the production of male flowers can be causes by the application of gibberellin. It is an important growth hormone. In that growth hormone, mostly practical applications are widely used in various fields of agriculture. Thank you.